I've got a beehive in my front yard, and my best friend Denny and I are going to try to open up the beehive
and there
honey.
It goes. It died as soon as I turned the camera on.
Beehive honey latch.
We're gonna see how many bees are in here. This is probably not a good idea.
At all.
Oh, there we go. No. I'm gonna bend the fucking knife.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, hey.
And they're active. They're active at the moment.
I'm using a fucking butter knife to try to open up a fucking water main. I'm afraid your knife is a little weak.
Uh-oh. I think we just injured one.
No bees were harmed
During the...
in the filming of
my, and here they
this
come.
video.
And they're...
No,
Oh, and here we go. And that's probably it.
Feel for the bite. You feel any bites yet?
No, I'm good. I'm okay. Are you okay?
I don't know. I
Yeah,
think so.
Did you just piss yourself?
Yeah, a little bit.
Go back. Oh shit, where'd they go? Where'd all those go?
They went down in there.
Oh, did they?
Yeah. I'm having trouble getting this
I
thing.
think we should leave them alone, Denny, because we're going to get stung here in a second.
Hold on. How come I can't get this fucking thing open? Do you put like a tool in there and turn it and lift? Like a little T-tool?
No, I think you stick your finger in there, turn it and lift.
No, there's a little
How
T.
that works for you.
There's a little T-tool.
There. Oh, look at them lifting their butts up. God damn it, Denny.
I got startled by a piece of grass that touched my finger.
Alright, let's get down in there. See what we're dealing with here. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, a lot of bees. A whole lot of bees. Whole lot of bees. Whole lot of bees.
We'll let them calm down. We're gonna go back. We got to get a good shot down inside of the little
Yeah.
thing. All right.
Did you hear them swarming in there?
We're just gonna do one quick peek. I'm gonna lift it. And we're gonna go.
Okay.
All right.
Hear that.
We can jump in the car.
Okay.
Make sure the car's unlocked.
Let's see what I'm doing over there.
All right, car's unlocked.
Okay, hold on.
It's ready.
Hold on, Denny. Hold on. Give me a minute. Let's assess the situation here.
Is the flashlight dead?
A lot.
Oh.
Ugh.
Okay, ready?
Hold on, hold on. There's a whole lot of bees.
Turn the flashlight on.
A whole lot of bees. It lights everything out. Hold on, don't touch them yet. Don't mess with them yet.
Yeah.
Oh, there they go.
No, here, ready?
Yeah. Ah! God damn it! Ah! Fuck, it stung me! Ah! God damn it! It stung me! Motherfucker! Ow! Ow! Ow!
Did you see the
Yes,
five?
I did.
Did the video get it?
Look at that! Yeah, I don't know. Stung the shit out of me. God damn it!
Dude,
Ah!
it's
Look at
it's like a foot. It's
Look
like
at
a foot long.
Look at that! It got me
We're at.
right there. Woo! Yeah, it's swelling up. Yeah, good. How do you feel about me getting? Oh, why did I get stung?
I'm good.
All right,
They didn't like me.
signing out.